Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to generate the quantity report for the earthwork progress. Earthwork progress quantity reports from the Road Solver. Now, in Road Solver, we have to import the progress levels. This already we have the ground levels and we have the top of embankment levels. So, in that full section, there is some area will be completed from the earthwork. So, we are going to calculate the what we completed the quantity and remaining quantity. So, go to the reports and select this earthwork quantities progress. So, from that one you can select detail. So, I can choose that 3 plus 300, that is station which we imported. Then after that 3 plus 500. So, this is a area which is already we make the import of the data. So, just we will check the print in PDF. Now, this report will be generated. From this report, there is a red line is a ground and black line is a top of embankment line, and the blue line is which is already work the area. So, when we check the quantities, there is a total quantity, design quantities and progress quantity and remaining quantity. So, each section it is calculated for this progress quantity of the each stations. But there is some area it is overfill, that quantity it is not included inside this quantity report. Overfill, overcut is not coming. It is what we fix the slope line, that quantity area will be only calculated. So, now you can check that summary. So, summary will be also coming. So, this summary will be coming. There is a design quantities and progress quantities and then remaining quantities. Okay. So, this is a summary. So, total will be also appear. So, same like that, if you choose all the detail and summary and the total, so it will be coming together with this quantity report. This is a methods we can print out the progress volume of earthwork. Thank you.